Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish pepper soup Nigerian full guide. Start by washing fish, rinsing peppers, and measuring spices. Choose firm fish like catfish or tilapia and scale if needed. Combine spices in a small bowl for easy seasoning. Heat water to a near simmer and add aromatics in stages for layered flavor. I will guide you through simmer times, tasting tips, and bring your pot to a steady simmer and add crushed pepper and aromatics first to build depth. Gently introduce the fish so it keeps its shape and absorbs flavors. Simmer on low so the broth becomes fragrant without overcooking the fish. Taste the soup halfway and adjust seasoning with stock cube or salt as needed. Finish with fresh yuzu leaves or scent leaf for a bright herbal lift before serving hot. Serve fish pepper soup steaming hot alongside rice or a swallow like pounded yam for a complete meal. Add a squeeze of lime or a few scent leaves to lift the broth before serving. If you plan to store leftovers, cool quickly and refrigerate in a shallow container so the fish keeps its texture. Reheat on low heat and avoid vigorous boiling to preserve the delicate flavors and tender fish pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.